See, just got off work. Had to take my stuff off because, like, you know, they start planning stuff last minute. Mr. calling me, text me while I'm at work. He like, oh, I'm about to pick you up. We about to go fishing. So I'm like, all right, we're gonna go to the store. I'm gonna vlog all that. We're gonna go to the store, get some fishing rods. You know, Mr. got the wheels. I'm gonna vlog everything for y'all because I ain't dropping in a minute. So this is the first time for me to like really have some content because I don't really be having nothing to post about. All I be doing is working and so I'm about to post some content for y'all today. And I'm gonna make sure it's posted today too. You know what I mean? With the retwist. But alright, y'all.
Car said this shit ass, huh? Round with a big ass Drace in the car and make a fuck nigga bag up. What I look like, find over a bitch, I already fucking had her. Hosted on my dick right now, kinda mad that I had passed on.
Alright, y'all, so Mr. just picked me up that day in the past.
Yo.
I gotta avoid the followers. That's my shit.
Every time she mad at me, keep a couple shooters round. For them niggas that's after me, bitch, you think I'm dumb. We ain't fucked and we ain't done. We ain't fucked, you can't.
Oh, that was Masquerade. Now he blocked my page.
Then that nigga played. Niggas have been scraps and wave a blitz like this a death parade. On the type of nigga out my bleed. But you know
I'm about to go fishing. Y'all know they call us real fishermen out here. Like we really, I'm telling y'all, we really be sharking this. We out here sharking it. We out here sharking.
What if we hit a duck?
What you talking about, old kid?
Hit a duck, bro.
We don't get ducks. We get shark. It look hard out here, twin, don't it?
Wait,
I'm set up, y'all. Just casted it out there. Feel me? I'm trying to set y'all up somewhere. Feel me? Feel me?
oh my god. Oh, there's two. I seen the rest of one too.
Feel me? Oh, we don't. We can ask some people. Is this moving?
This ain't even get it that far. You don't got no arm for real?
Yeah.
Ooh. You don't got no arm.
I don't even know where it's at.
Yeah, how you supposed to sling that bitch? Oh shit, it's stuck.
Is it
Pull,
on
nigga.
something?
Pull.
No, it's on something.
Reel it. Try to pull. Try to
Nothing's
reel.
even nibbling on it.
You don't.
You don't
Did you
know
catch
that, bro. It's
something?
not a reel.
Nah, bro, it's stuck.
You know it's stuck.
Come
Hopefully.
on, bro.
Nigga, what?
He put me in the rocks and shit.
How does that come on? Nah, you caught something.
No, I
Yes, you
didn't.
did.
No, I didn't, because it would be cool.
You don't know that.
Okay, no, I got it. I got it unstuck.
Recast it.
No, you didn't, nigga. You probably snapped
I
it.
got it unstuck.
Recast it.
Didn't fix that one. It's hard. It's hard to do.
What the fuck was that? Recast?
Well, I am
Exactly.
going to recast it.
You know how to recast? Watch it.
Don't hit me.
Reel it back there. The hot dog fell off.
The hot dog fell off?
Yeah.
Come on, nigga.
How is that my fault?
You put the hot dog on there.
Mr. Robbie. Wow. I left you with nothing. So. Now you got locos. Oh, you right.
Mr. made my hot dog fall off, y'all.
Bro, how do I make your hot dog fall off?
The bridge in the back is really saucy.
No, for real.
I am sure.
If I say forever, baby, that means till death do us part. Step with my weapon at night. I'm trying to make a living. You sure I know what it is. 5 math with me. That's the money.
money and get bigger. Heard he blessing on my cousin, catch his ass and we gon'. I can't say what it is, cause all we know that's what I said. Ain't no man preferring me out, might just stop quicker. We just
30 miles per hour. 30 miles per hour. 30. 30. I say niggas that I'm up on. Push that shit up! Bitch! When I ran up on that car, I looked up and he was stuck. That nigga ran up with the one you should've knew they toes up. So that we don't give a fuck. What you got? What you got?
Yeah, she let me fucking like I ain't know.
What you got? Yo!
Yeah, we just left out the little corner store. We got some live bait.
Y'all ready? Y'all ready?
We ready? Let's go!
Jada, what are you doing?
Come on, bro.
Bro, come on. We don't got time for
You
that.
trying to take a picture and stuff. We went fishing, guys. Yeah,
Yeah,
stink.
nigga,
Yeah. Alright, y'all. We just came back from the store. We're setting up the rods. You know what I mean?
Roof.
Just get it back.
I'm about to get clipped.
How you feel?
All you gotta do is click your shit on and you're really good and just put your bait on.
Sure.
I just gotta slap my hook on. I'm good in the hood. You need hook?
Yeah, give me a good hook.
I want a hook.
You got a hook on.
No, I got lock hook.
Get that look how lock.
No, we got lock hook.
What do I got?
An open hook.
I want sharp hook.
Nigga, this is
Oh, I got sharp hook. When'd you do that?
Whole time you didn't.
When'd you do that, mister?
a minute ago.
When'd you put that on there?
When we was down here before.
No, you didn't.
Swear to God I did, Gusto.
For real?
Yes.
How come I ain't see it?
I don't fucking know. How come I didn't see it? You want to slap some weights on yours?
What to make it
Oh
go
my days, I'm fried.
down? What?
Bro, almost all the hooks went bye-bye.
Got my, ready? Put my fisherman's on.
How you put this shit on, brother?
What, the hook?
Yeah.
Tie a knot on it. Put it through the loop and tie a knot on it.
And I can't crack without a condom. I got fish again burnt.
Come over here.
Can y'all come get in my thumbnail?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I ain't even a big one.
Come on, mister.
Yeah.
Your rod look big. Ours look little.
Cause I got a fucking ocean around.
Oh. Fill us stuff.
Hold on, wait, I gotta make mine.
Screenshot it off tonight. Just have
Yeah.
tonight seen yours. Or you want to make a new one?
I wanna make a new one.
Alright, y'all, but I'm about to go down there, grab my, we're gonna get down there until y'all get my $2. Y'all, I don't know what they up there doing, but I got the rod and I got they back there. You know, I got the live bait. They take it too long. I'm out here trying to get some sharks or some geese. The geese down there, they look like they ready for my worms. You know what I'm saying? But no fishing. Wait, mister. Oh, I told you to start fishing. Gotta get my worms on my. Big juicy worms.
Big juicy. You want me to do it first?
Yeah.
I'll jump over that.
Nope, or we get kicked out. Yo, the worm keep leaving.
Bleeding?
Leaving.
Yeah, the water's still now.
Yeah.
Because the current ain't that high.
Help, I need help. These worms are too fucking big and slimy.
Bro, you're a
Dad, come back over here, the other way, bro. You fought it? Oh, I got it.
I heard it.
How you heard all the way from over there? shit, man. You jump, please. Nigga, I'm trying to unhook this. I could have been over here by now. Yeah, you could have.
I know the fuck you didn't.
She said you getting money. I said me too. She said, yeah, bitch.
You got it, mister?
Why'd you get the big ones? Yeah, what the fuck? Oh, yeah, we did. I forgot I'm dumb. You trying to double hooking?
Yeah. I almost got him on there. No way.
Oh, shit.
Some niggas just don't.
Oh, we about to kill the ducks. Let's feed them hot dogs.
I'm trying to get him on there all the way so that they don't just nibble him off. You see that? Look. We'll try to throw them like this.
Yeah.
I don't want them to nibble it off.
You do that? I don't know how you do that. You do that?
You do it, nigga.
You already got Muddy Worm here.
No, I don't want money room.
But he's cool. Not gonna lie, he's cool.
No, but they're going to nibble
Not
it.
going y'all. I definitely think I lost my weight. You do that?
No. You do not.
But I'm scared of fucking animal. Bro, you're gonna kill the dog.
What?
He's coming over here with all his kids.
Well, ain't nobody told him to come in the fishing
Now, what if
way.
you hit him exactly? He said, "Bang." Ow.
Hey, why do you just staring at me? They pointing.
I think he. Who?
I'm over there. The white people.
Where?
Over there. By the swing.
I'm coming. He do it for me?
Oh, you gotta do the work tomorrow too.
For me? Why?
For the party.
You do this for me?
Motherfucker. Freaker.
Not work tomorrow?
Yeah. Why you say that?
Damn, Jaden ain't not work.
I know he coming to that party though.
What party?
Oh, they're fixing too. What?
Mr. Key did it for me?
What the fuck is that?
Nigga, you scared of a worm? Yes. Now I'm taking it. Oh, what the fuck is wrong with it?
See, they keep my worms coming unraveled. I
This
knew
nigga's
that.
fat. Please, Naya.
That's what I'm saying. They're too fucking fat. See, let me get
Naya,
you.
can you do this for me?
Get you on there, baby girl.
None of y'all could do this for me?
Do it. Mister, he's scared of worms.
What the fuck is he gonna do in the picture?
I'm gonna grab that motherfucker. I gotta take my pick with the fish.
Could y'all? Oh shit! Could y'all do this for me? Naya,
What?
alright, fuck it. This nigga fly off, you fly off. I'm not gonna lie to you. Could you do this for me?
JM, put the worm. I'm telling Alicia.
She already know I'm scared of worms. I've been scared of worms since 6.
I like them.
That's the only shit I'm scared of. But anytime you got a spider, I kill it, right? Alright, come on, bro. Put one time, bro. Alright, bro. Next time you got a spider.
It was bleeding. No. It's a feisty one. I don't like that.
Can you do it for me, bro?
Mister, put this worm on for this nigga.
I'm scared of my own. Exactly.
Big
Exactly.
as hell. These worms is fat.
That's
as hell.
big as shit.
Look at man, that crumbled that nigga up in there. Why you got no ass worm? We should put some in there so they eat it.
This nigga's trying to eat. Bro, it's moving too much. Bro. Y'all see ripples anywhere? Right here. So that's in the dock. Oh, I'm on YouTube. You said I'm scared of worms? You a bitch.
They seen the whole thing. Mister, how'd you get the mud off your hands?
Stop by this place. No.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all, my rod out here.
Damn, why is the rock moving so much?
Where? Catch it! This worm flew off. Wait.
That was 3 little pieces of something.
A worm flew off.
Wait, but how's the rod still right here? Oh, pieces of it flew off.
That's your rock.
Oh. I need this shit to be immaculate.
I think I had the
I used to do back in my day when I caught snapping turtles. I got it for you. Yo. You touching me! Stop touching me! I ain't scared of no one. Yeah, Tanaya, come here real quick. I gotta tell you something. Tanaya,
Yo,
I gotta tell you something. Come here.
but
I gotta tell you something, bro. Come here. Alright, so you good enough, Tanaya.
hold on. Some keep biting on me.
Some keep biting your little shit. Your little ass shit.
Some keep nibbling on your little shit.
Hold on, y'all. I got something. Hold on.
No, you don't. Oh, do you?
He was biting on it.
Really hard. Pull it. Pull it. Like the rod.
I like the rod. Pull it.
He's not on there no more. So if my worm's going, yo,
If your worm is going something, then
If your worm's gone, then that's a good thing.
no, it ain't
it's
going.
all white bugs. There's no species and shit.
Yeah, bro. The government dropped some new shit, bro. Bro,
I need to be at peace when I can.
what would you gotta be at? Watch your shit get stuck in the bottom of the fucking river.
Just
What the fuck happened? Now, where did those weights go again? I'm tired of losing.
yeehaw! Yeah, boy. They flew off, girl.
But you're not putting it on. You're putting it on like a witch.
You giving these niggas free worms.
That he's putting it on like a bitch.
Yeah.
You guys put this on for me? I mean, what? I mean, the phone. I know, bitch.
Nigga, that's not what you want.
I dropped it. I need help.
Please get up.
Bro, he's a grown ass man.
Jaden. Put it on there with your fingers.
I'm trying.
You're not. You're trying to hook it with the fucking hook. Look at him. Did you fix yours? Oh, you're a bitch too. Mister using the fucking bag to put the worm on.
Nigga, no, I'm not. Nigga, I'm with
No,
this
you're not. I just watched him use the bag.
shit. Bro, what the fuck is
I'm fucking with you, stupid bitch.
I'm not 14K.
Bitch ass nigga, I got you. I got you.
The problem was at first it was just too slimy for me to touch, bro. Now I'm fucking slimy shit.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's why I'm scared of it.
no. Scared of it being Jaden, put it all the way on.
Damn.
Oh yeah. What up, y'all? We think Mr. got some. Well, Jaden.
Jaden shit.
Well, Jaden had some, but Mr. grabbed the rod. Oh, let me see. Oh.
What if I got a big ass catfish? Who's getting that and stuff? Them niggas got teeth. That nigga just like that.
Is this stuck?
Cause they keep pulling, like you seen it, right?
Sit it down, see if it's pulling. It says beauty. I might make that my thumbnail.
I don't think it's really cool.
But how was it right here and then it moved?
Like, that's smooth,
No,
Yo, my line!
You're good.
Dang, Jay, how deep was the thing, yo?
I can't get all the way up there. Got a phone. Bro, this nigga is twisting the wrong way.
No, I'm not.
Give me the rod.
Nigga, this is gonna loosen it. Nigga, trust me.
Look, you're going like, you're twisting that way exactly, bro. You gotta twist the other.
I think he broke your rod, too.
I'm not gonna lie, I think this shit's stuck.
Can I try now? Don't do that. Don't do that.
No, just see if the line's moving.
I'll get to y'all when I get something. I don't know what they're doing. What that mean?
Huh?
We're open casters.
What are open casters?
Mm-hmm.
The shit that me and Jane always do.
Oh, I know what you mean. You gotta click this thing.
Yeah, you got close one. I love close.
It's easy. Ugh.
Nigga.
This feels so fucking
That is
nasty.
such a fucking dog.
Is it untangled? Yo, where the fuck did the keys go?
Where are the keys?
move the camera this way. So I'm telling you, I'm about to get some big shit, big stuff this time. See how far that went? Telling y'all, watch this time. Huh? Oh. You for real?
You want me to come with you?
Nigga, why you wanna go pee with him?
He said kayak.
He said pee.
He was bitching to jump this? Oh, I got big shit on me. I can't do this. Wait, let me see your rod actually. Because I saw some different color over there.
Don't mess it up like you did.
You said don't mess it up like that big video?
Yeah.
Hey, that shit's different. What up?
Oh my, don't. Go out there like by the pool. You over there constipating?
Contemplating?
Yeah.
No.
What that word mean again?
Thinking really hard.
Oh, you over there contemplating.
Contemplating.
Contemplating. Hmm?
Oh, fish one! Some big shit come over and glide, we might be fucked. And we can't even like look, or we can't even run away.
No, I'm running up there. I'm gonna try to hit. If I hit the little jump out, y'all trying to do, I'm gonna hit my face.
Nigga said I'm up.
I'm not laughing. I'm not.
This is really shaking. Oh, alright, bro. Alright.
Oh my god, I almost slipped. We're about to go see what Jaden's doing. So how's it going over here?
I cut it
How'd you cut it?
with my scissors.
your scissors at?
Don't worry about
My
that,
teeth.
bro.
Are you sure you cut it?
Yeah. But this shit's right here fucked up.
So the whatchamacallit is down there stuck. Oh shit. He looked like Chucky when he went with White Boy M to go ride dirt bikes. Yo!
What, bro?
You took my whole shit apart. Look, bro. This shit's big.
I need that flashlight better. There we go. Starts right here. Bang. This shit better not break again.
You made a new line? Crazy how when you made the new line, this shit like kind of got unstuck.
What?
What? No, like dead ass.
What?
Shot. No way. No fucking shot, Jacob.
Some ate the fuck out of my shit. Gobbled that shit down his throat.
Oh my god! Where did the hook go?
I told you, bro. He ate that shit, bro. He ate that shit.
No, whatever the fuck ate his shit took the rope too. It was a snapping turtle, bro. It had to have been.
Damn, bro. Big ass snapping turtle. We not wearing this shit, nigga. Where's your own one, you pussy ass nigga? Before I beat you the fuck up, homies, nigga. Yo, pull that. Oh, it's stuck right here.
Alright, chat, we'll be back.
So I'm biting.
You got something?
Biting. Sitting here waiting for a fish off. What? The worm fell out? Very peaceful out here. Get back to y'all when I get something.